Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Hey Gemini. To get started, simply open the Gemini application or visit its dedicated website. You'll find a clear chat interface where you can type your questions or commands. Gemini is designed to be a helpful AI assistant, ready to assist you with a wide range of tasks, from answering complex questions to generating creative content. It's an intuitive tool for everyday use. To get the most out of Gemini, focus on crafting clear and specific prompts. Think about what information you need or what action you want Gemini to perform. Adding context, like a specific scenario or a desired tone, can significantly improve the quality of the response. Don't hesitate to try rephrasing your questions if the initial answer isn't quite what you expected. It's a great way to refine your interaction. Gemini offers a wide array of features to enhance your productivity and creativity. You can ask it to summarize lengthy articles, brainstorm innovative ideas for projects, or even draft different types of written content. Beyond text, Gemini can assist with coding snippets, perform basic data analysis, and translate languages. Remember to use follow-up questions to explore topics more thoroughly or to fine-tune the responses you receive. For more advanced usage, consider breaking down very complex tasks into several smaller, more focused prompts. This approach often yields more accurate and detailed results. Always take a moment to review and edit Gemini's outputs to ensure they perfectly align with your needs and maintain accuracy. Your feedback is also incredibly valuable. It helps Gemini learn and improve its performance over time, making it an even more effective tool for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.